How to use Klaviyo. So first of all, welcome to our quick guide on how you can use Klaviyo. So let's get started. First, you just have to sign up for a Klaviyo account if you haven't already. So once you have login, you will be taken to the main dashboard where you can watch your analytics. Next, navigate your way to the list and segment section. Here you can create a list and segment. So if you are using Shopify, you can integrate Klaviyo and Shopify for seamless data transfer. After that, the next thing is creating email templates. You can also create a master template for all your future email campaigns. At the end, you can set up your welcome series flow. This is an essential flow that every marketer should have, as you should also know that. After that, you can also generate coupons code and use them in pop-ups. This is a great way to incentivize your customers. Once you are happy with your flow, you just have to publish them. So that was the basics of how you can use Klaviyo. Hope this helped. Make sure to subscribe the channel and see you in the next video.